Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.